After the outbreak of coronavirus, everyone started to talk about that you should wash your hands for 20 seconds, wear a mask whenever you go out. But what about your phone? You might not be aware with the fact that your phone is 7 times dirtier than an average toilet seat, which means that your device also needs to be cleaned and disinfected from the germs. So that's the video all about. Hey guys, Apple Buff here and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can disinfect your device from the germs that are present on it and ultimately prevent yourself from the coronavirus. And also, in this video, I'm going to share the things that you should use and the things you shouldn't to disinfect your device. Please make sure that you don't use any of the liquids that are used to clean windows or kitchen, and even don't make a use of sanitizers because they might destroy the screen of your device. In order to clean or disinfect your device, first of all, make sure that your device is unplugged from the power source, or what I suggest is powering off the device completely. Once it's done, take a microfiber cloth and a screen cleaning liquid or spray. This is easily available at every phone accessory shop, and I will list down the best screen cleaning sprays in the description box down below. Now, spray it on the microfiber cloth and then wipe it across the screen gently, then on the side, and at last at the back of your device. Continue wiping it until you feel that your phone is now clean enough to be used once again. If you are like me who uses a case for his phone, then the best way to keep the germs away would be cleaning the case regardless to whichever case you have on your phone with that solution, or use alcoholic wipes that are easily available almost everywhere before cleaning the actual back of the phone. You can do this for both inside and outside of the case, but personally I would suggest and recommend you to clean the outer part of the case, as that's the only part after the screen which is going to be exposed for most of the time you use the phone. Once everything is done, just simply turn on your device and you are good to go. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. So if you did, then don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to this channel for weekly tech content. And see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe and peace.